Part 3. Random number generator. Two integers from 1 through 40 are chosen by a random number generator. What are the probabilities the number are both even, one number is even, one is odd, both numbers are less than 30, and the same number is chosen twice? Alright, say I do A and B and you do C and D. They're all of equal difficulty. Alright, on part A that said the numbers are both even. So I want the number of ways we can pick an even number on the first draw from the random generator from 1 to 40. So there are 20 even numbers. Then the second draw from them is still 20 because they can also generate the same number twice. Alright, and then we're going to divide by the number of all possible numbers. On the first draw there are 40 ways, and on the second 40. So take 20 times 20 and divide it by 40 times 40. When you do that, you should get, I think it comes out to be 1/4. Alright, part B. On part B, they asked us to say one number is even and one is odd. So we have, say the first one is even and the second one is odd. So divided by the number of all possible ways is 40 times 40. We already discussed the denominator. So the numerator, how many possible ways can we get an even number and an odd number? But we have to remember, we have to add that to the probability of what if the first one is odd. In other words, this number is odd and this number is even. Instead of this way, it still would meet the requirement of the problem. So setting it up like that, how many different ways? We get 20, 20, and then we get 20, 20 over 40, 40. So we already calculated one up here, it's 1/4, and then 1/4 again. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4 or 1/2. Let me see if that was correct. It is. Alright, on part C, I'll give you a push. On part C it says both numbers are less than 30. So you know on the bottom of the fraction, all possible numbers, 40 times 40. So you get to put in here, the first one, first draw is numbers that are less than 30. So now don't count 30, but from 1 to 40, how many different ways are there to create or to pick a number less than 30? And then the second one is how many ways on the second draw to pick a number less than 30. So fill in your numbers, multiply your numerator and denominator, and reduce. So see what you get. And part D, same number is chosen twice. We know the bottom is all possibilities. So how many ways can we pick the first number? There's no restrictions on the first number. But then how many ways, once we've chosen that number, how many ways do you think there are to choose a number that is the same as this number? Alright, so see if you can think that through. Alright, I think that's it for tonight, and hopefully they'll give you put you in a position to finish up your probability problems, and we work on the penny experiment to approximate pi. So hope your weekend is going well, and I'll look forward to seeing you Monday. Till then, carry on, class, carry on.